Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You want usable low-light photos fast. Open the camera app and tap Photo. Night mode appears when light is low. Once night appears, tap the night icon to see exposure time and adjust the slider for longer or shorter exposure. Make sure to switch to 0. 5x if you need wider framing. Alternatively, stay as stable as possible, plant your elbows, or mount the phone. The how is simple. Reveal night, adjust exposure, and steady the phone so the sensor can gather light effectively. Once night mode is active, you control how much light the phone collects. Drag the exposure slider to increase seconds for brighter images, but remember longer exposures need steadier support. Tap and hold to set AE/AF lock so focus and exposure stay fixed while you compose, and then reframe without shifting settings. Make sure to tap your main subject to bias focus and exposure. This helps preserve important detail and prevents the camera from over-brightening irrelevant areas. To finish, press the shutter and keep the phone still until the night timer completes. Movement causes blur. You can use a tripod or lean the phone against something solid to improve results. If the image looks too bright or soft, cancel and reduce exposure time, then try again with better stability. One key troubleshooting tip: if photos are consistently blurry, lower the exposure seconds and use image stabilization or a tripod. That trade-off often yields sharper, more usable shots.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.